Do you want me? Answer me, Catherine.
I do.
And
Master.
good girl. You're mine, remember? No one can lay a hand on you without my permission.
Hello?
My beautiful bridesmaid, where are you?
Oh my gosh! I'm on my way.
Hi, Catherine. Come meet my husband, Ryan. This is my best friend, Catherine.
I'm Ryan Walker.
Nice to meet you.
There we go. Ready?
I never thought Molly's husband would be Ryan. I can't watch him ruin her like this. What should I do? Should I tell Molly the truth? Ryan, what are you doing?
Look at me, Catherine. I am your master. Stop messing around.
I'm messing around? You're the one messing around. How could you do this to Molly?
Give me a break. Call me master or I'll punish you.
I'm not calling you.
Call me master or your dad will die.
Is it being cleaned?
Ryan, hide quickly.
Don't worry. She can't get at it.
Oh, it's locked. Forget it.
This is going too far, Ryan. I have to get out of this mess.
You can't break the contract.
Fine. Then let's terminate it then.
Take that back.
If you and Molly truly love each other, why do you need me? We could end on a high note. Isn't that a good thing?
No!
Why?
Because I hate you.
Hi, Catherine. I can't wait to introduce this handsome to you. This is Ryan's younger brother, Leonardo. And Leo, this is my best friend, Catherine.
Oh, Catherine, you are so beautiful.
Thank you. And those strong family genes. You look great.
You two will make a beautiful couple. Am I right?
You're not a good match for her.
What do you mean? Why not?
Because you're too innocent for a girl like her. Don't let their looks fool you.
Ryan, don't talk about Catherine like that.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be mean, but Leonardo doesn't know her that well. Trying to warn him.
Okay, well, isn't this a great chance for me to get to know her?
No, you don't have a chance because she already has a boyfriend.
Catherine, you have a boyfriend?
When did you get a boyfriend, Kat?
Well, it's not exactly official yet. Sorry, Molly and Leo. I'm not ready to discuss. Anyway, I have to use the bathroom. Excuse me.
I hate you.
Why does he hate me? I have to know. Molly?
Catherine, do you really have a boyfriend? When did you start dating?
We just started dating recently. I'll introduce him to you later.
Great. Ryan and I are going on our honeymoon to Alcia tomorrow. What kind of gift would you like?
Let me think about it.
See you.
Bye.
Come on, Kat. You actually loved Caden. Ryan's just... well, it's just your hormones. You only have 30 days left in the contract. You'll be free soon.
Come to room 807 at the St. Regis Hotel immediately.
Ryan, tonight is your wedding night with Molly.
I want to see you in half an hour. Otherwise, your father...
What do you want, Ryan?
You know what I want.
What do you want, Ryan?
You know what I want.
Do you think this is fair to Molly?
Shh. Molly is in the next room. She might hear us.
She's in the next room?
I know. Pretty hot, right?
You're insane.
Better behave, or I'll do something even crazier. That's master to you.
I'm not calling you that anymore.
You're not disobeying me, are you? You seem pretty desperate to see Molly, huh?
Ryan!
Who is it?
Hello, sir. I have the red wine order.
Thank you so much. Bear a child for me.
What? What did you say? Bear a child for you? No way.
Why? Is it because you're still thinking about Caden? Is it because he's the first one who made you come? That's why you can't forget him.
My first time was with you.
Liar. You lost your virginity before you turned 18.
I met you when I was 20. How could you possibly know what I was doing when I was 18?
Of course I know.
At 18, I was in a car accident. I was in a coma for a year. This is the first time we met. But why does he look so familiar? Could I have lost my memories of Ryan? Who is he? Is this a dream? No, this isn't. I've been here before. He's... Who was that man? Stop. I've been here before. That man. He was lying down right here on this hill. He was right here. I think I'm starting to remember. Was that girl me? Then, who was that man? Who was that man? I'm trying to picture his face.
Catherine!
What happened?
You fainted. I'm taking you to the hospital right now.
No, I'm fine.
No, we need to get you to the hospital and have you looked at.
All right. Thanks. Ryan's calling.
Where are you, Catherine? Is that another man's voice?
I'm in a taxi on my way back to the apartment.
Really?
Why would I lie to you?
Yeah. I'm glad you know that.
Just drive me back to the apartment, okay?
It's me. Where have you been?
Aren't you supposed to be on your honeymoon? Aren't you supposed to be on your honeymoon? Hey, answer my question first. Why are you here and where's Molly?
Stop covering my mouth and I'll tell you.
Tell me now.
She's telling Elisa.
You left her alone in Elisa? Why?
Just ignore it.
No, it's Molly. Molly?
Hi, Catherine. There's a party at the Walkers the day after tomorrow. Let's go, okay? What's wrong, Cat? What's wrong, Cat?
I'm swamped right now. I have to go, but I'll see you later.
Are you crazy, Ryan? Molly almost caught us.
Don't call me Ryan, darling. Call me Master.
Mr. Walker?
Ryan, Luca wants to see you.
Come on, call me Master. You know I like it.
Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker is not feeling well.
Guess I'll make it up to next.
Catherine, don't think like that.
Wake up!
Was he the man who kissed me on the hill? Is that man Ryan?